Komatsuna is one of the most nutritious vegetables among all vegetables. It's especially important for bone health. It contains plenty of calcium and iron, but by adding yuzu, it becomes the ultimate food combination. In this video, I'll show you how to make an easy pickled komatsuna and yuzu dish by just cutting and mixing, plus 2 more recipes to double the health benefits. Please watch until the end to learn some smart and cost-effective ways to enjoy komatsuna. Here's a quick, tasty pickled komatsuna and yuzu dish. Ingredients: komatsuna, yuzu salt, soy sauce, and bonito flakes. Yuzu comes in various sizes, so please use the amount you prefer. First, let's start with the komatsuna. Sometimes there is soil on the base of the stems, so cut off the base and wash it thoroughly. You can also use the base part if you wash it well, so please use it in miso soup or other dishes. Yuzu no asa. I've washed the komatsuna thoroughly. Now, I'll cut the stems into pieces about 2 centimeters long. Cutting them into pieces about 2 centimeters long makes them easy to use for various dishes. Unlike spinach, komatsuna doesn't have much bitterness. You can enjoy it raw as well. Next is yuzu. We'll use the whole yuzu except for the seeds. With yuzu, people often just shave off the surface and chop it up to use. But the white part of the yuzu, the core, and the inner part as well contain components like hesperidin, which helps strengthen blood vessels. Also, since it's rich in dietary fiber called pectin, there's almost nothing to throw away. This length. Since it feels like we're pickling the whole yuzu, I'll chop the yuzu quite boldly and roughly as well. I'll chop the entire yuzu, including the flesh and white pith, together. As you do this, seeds will come out, so feel around and remove any you find. Alright, now we'll mix all of these together. The komatsuna, yuzu, bonito flakes, salt, and as a secret ingredient, soy sauce. Salt and soy sauce. The soy sauce is really just a secret ingredient. Yes, bonito flakes. And yuzu. Mix the ingredients evenly. Now, try tasting a little bit of the stem part here. If you think it needs a little more salt, add some at this stage. It's a little bit lightly seasoned, but I also want to enjoy various arrangements, and using a storage bag like this will save you time. Okay, put all the bowl ingredients into the bag here. Well, if it's a big bag, it's fine to mix the ingredients in the bag like this. Either way works. Seal the bag tightly and squeeze out the air. Yes, you can put a weight on this if you want, but if you want to make it quickly, you don't have to. Put your body weight on it like this and pickle it right in the bag. Applying your body weight like this will gradually tenderize it. Today, I really want to make it like this, in a short amount of time. While the quick pickles are being made, I'll talk about why komatsuna and yuzu are the best combination. Komatsuna contains as much calcium as milk, and it is also rich in iron, which milk does not have. Among vegetables, it stands out as one of the most nutritious. It also has strong antioxidants and boosts immunity. It also contains a well-balanced mix of micronutrients such as beta-carotene, vitamin C, folic acid, and B vitamins. It's the ultimate vegetable for health and beauty. Adding yuzu to it makes for a very beneficial combination. That's because when the vitamin C and citric acid from yuzu are combined with komatsuna, the absorption rate of iron and calcium in komatsuna increases dramatically. Yuzu's aroma and citric acid may ease winter fatigue and help regulate your autonomic nervous system. Well then, let's wrap things up. Make it like a pouch as well. Then, while letting the air out, press it down firmly. This way, the flavors will blend together nicely. This time, I'm only using yuzu juice for the sourness, so there's not much yuzu juice. In that case, it's fine to add a little vinegar. Please taste it as you go and find the saltiness and sourness that you like. And with that, it's done. Now, I'd like to tell you how it tastes. Please excuse me for tasting it while standing. My mouth is so full. The aroma of yuzu spreads, and you can really taste the perfect balance of tartness and a slight bitterness from the yuzu. A refined light pickle dish is ready. You can serve it as a side dish just as it is. Enjoy it as is with rice or in rice balls. Please try to find your favorite way to enjoy it. As it is, this dish is already rich in calcium and iron. But I'll show you 2 easy ways to arrange it with just 1 more ingredient for an even more effective combination. First, add ground sesame seeds. Yes, add a generous amount of sesame seeds and then just mix it all together. Since ground sesame seeds also contain oil, they help your body absorb fat-soluble nutrients better. That's it. You get a new flavor and nutrition boost. Komatsuna with sesame dressing is ready. And for the other dish, we'll combine pickle komatsuna with canned mackerel. Canned mackerel is rich in vitamin D, which helps your body absorb calcium for stronger bones. And it's also packed with nutrients. Plus, the mackerel itself is high in calcium. Also, by eating protein together with it, your body can absorb the nutrients even better. It's really an unbeatable combination. Okay, use an appropriate amount of canned mackerel, just as much as you like, depending on how much you want to make. Yes, and just add a bit of the broth as well, then simply mix everything together. It's so good it could be your main dish. I also added ground sesame seeds and new ways to serve canned mackerel. You can also mix it with shirasu or cottage cheese. They go really well together, and it's a great combination for your bones. So please give it a try. Here are some of the best recipes for building healthy blood and bones using Komatsuna and Yuzu umami quick pickles. Please enjoy it. With a mild flavor of sesame, and the added roasted aroma makes it really delicious. Next is the mackerel canned salad. When you add a bit of animal protein, it becomes more filling and even more flavorful. It's really delicious, and they go perfectly together. You can use tuna or canned salmon and even mix it with natto. It's a great combination either way. Just by combining familiar ingredients, you can boost the nutrition. Please make good use of this Komatsuna pickles recipe. Komatsuna and yuzu are the perfect combo. Here's an easy instant pickles recipe. It's hard to get enough calcium and iron unless you make a conscious effort. These are important nutrients, so please try adding a healthy dish to your meals by making good use of ingredient combinations. Thank you for watching until the end. Well then, let's meet again in another video. This book, How to Eat Well and Get Proper Nutrition. Even with a small appetite, was released on October 2nd and has been picked up by many people. This is the book. It's not just for people with small appetites, but also for those who are worried about whether they're getting enough nutrition in their daily diet. There are actually quite a few people who end up eating similar things all the time or whose nutritional deficiencies are hidden. I hope those who want to work on building their health through proper eating habits will also pick up this book. It's just one book, something to read, but it's like this. It also introduces 10 sample meal plans with photos. If you read this one book, I think you'll learn tips on how to get proper nutrition from familiar foods. I'll put the details in the description box, so please be sure to check it out. Okay,